What is up, guys? What is up, my friends of YouTube? It is Sergio here with Tech Overclock, and in today's video we're going to be taking a look at the Naporon Bluetooth headset. Well, let's do the typical classical unboxing. And here we have them. Okay, it has a big control right there. So you can see that. Let's go ahead and get it out of this fancy box. Oh, we remove this plastic, see-through plastic cover, and we get them out. Okay, so right here, the first thing that we see on the little bag, we got the ear plugs adapters. We got one pair, two pairs. We only got two pairs, two extra pairs, small ones and big ones, plus the ones that come included in the headset. So, and this right here looks like it's for cable management. It's a little teeny thingy. Okay, so after that, right here we got the USB to mini USB charger cable. Wow, it is really, it's long. It's about 2 feet in length. But let's talk about the control. This control here, it's huge. It is big. I don't know how I would feel about that hanging out of my ear, right next to my ear, since it's a little big and bulky. And let's see, it's on the right ear, so this is going to be hanging from your right ear since it's the right headphone. So let me see if I can power it on. So it says right here that it takes 1.1 hour and a half to charge. See, power. Okay, so this here in the middle, I hope it's powered though. There it is. We have a light. We got power to it. So it's blinking blue. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, so that's for forward and volume. The LED, okay. This here is a little mic. Has a little microphone right there between the play and the minus. So that is the microphone. This is the plus volume, minus volume. This is to also to forward the song. This is to forward the song. This is to go back on the song. Okay, guys, so the noise canceling of the headphones, they're fantastic. They feel amazing. Everything is great. But now let's talk about the sound quality. See, on the website on Amazon, it says that they have a hi-fi sound, which means, high fidelity sound. And I have to say, 100% they're telling the truth. But I'm going to give you guys an example of how they really sound when you're listening to them. This is as close as I can get to you for sound example. I don't want to bash the company, right? But I want you, I want you guys to know exactly what you're getting into before buying the headphones. So I'm going to play this track for you. I'm going to turn it off. I'm going to turn off the equalization effect because this headset right here, they come pre-equalized. Trust me, I've tested some others before and they sound muffled. They sound disgusting. These ones sound really clear. So let's listen to the track. Right? So that's how, that's the track. Now, with the equalization, how these headphones sound. Listen to this. Listen to this track. Oh, not going to say that. Here it goes. I'm gonna equalize it as the track goes. That right there, guys, I have the same beat on my phone, and I listened to it, and I did the comparison, because I already did this like 3 or 4 times already. So it's not, I'm not doing it on the fly. I already did this right here. It sounds like so. So you notice there's not a lot of bass. Yeah. These headphones don't have a lot of bass. They need more bass. So that speaks for itself. It's not 100% accurate representation, but this is as close as that I could get to you, because sometimes I listen to, you know, or I watch reviews of headphones, but I want a representation of how they sound, how they actually sound. So this time I had the chance to test this Bluetooth headset, and I have to say this is as close that I could get to show you guys how they really sound. So my message to Naporon company: add a little more bass into the headset and you will have a 100%. Like right now I'm going to give you 95%, because the voice sounds great when I call somebody or when they call me. Sounds great. The range is fantastic. The music sounds so clear. Like I said, I have tested other headsets and the music sounds muffled. I'm going to give you guys another example how the music sounds on other headsets that I have bought before. So here it goes.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
Some music, I mean, do you hear the sound? It's bassy and it sounds muffled. It sounds horrible. You know, I bought this headset last year, and I don't want to burn no company, right? But that Bluetooth headset, it's sitting on the corner on my closet. I'm not using it. It sounds muffled. This doesn't sound clear whatsoever. So, Naporon, you guys did a fantastic job with this headset. It just needs a little more bass. Other than that, thumbs up. Alright guys, this was your host, Sergio with the Correct Clock. Don't forget to smash the like down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. We hit 7,000 subscribers already. Thank you for subscribing. You guys are amazing. And I'll see you guys in the next video.